If you have pimples and you're tired of trying everything, listen carefully. I know how frustrating it feels. Right now, your skin may look tired, uneven, and uncomfortable. But this can change. Not overnight, not magically, but slowly with the right habits. This is a simple, step-by-step way to reduce pimples. First, wash your face 2 times a day, morning and night. Use a gentle face wash. Be kind to your skin. Don't scrub hard. Second, stop touching your face and never pop pimples. It feels tempting, but it only makes things worse. Third, keep it simple. Use only one acne product. Look for salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. A small amount is enough, only at night. Now, look at the difference. Clean habits matter. Change your pillow cover every week. Clean your phone screen. Small habits, big results. Avoid oily and junk food. Eat less fried food. Drink more water. Your skin reflects what you put inside your body. Use sunscreen every day, even if you stay at home. Sunlight makes pimples and dark marks worse. Finally, take care of yourself. Sleep well. Reduce stress. Late nights can trigger more pimples. Remember this. Clear skin is not about perfection. It's about consistency.